Precision Tech Solutions transforms your home into a smarter, safer space with expert smart home device setup. Serving Brazoria, Galveston, and Harris counties, we install and optimize a wide range of smart devices. We optimize smart TVs, Wi-Fi, and streaming devices like Roku and Fire Stick for peak performance. Integrate Alexa and Google Home, setting up custom commands and routines for effortless home control. Enhance security with smart cameras and video doorbells from Ring, Nest, and Arlo, featuring motion alerts. Achieve energy savings and comfort with smart thermostats, controlled via mobile apps for scheduled temperatures. Our technicians arrive on time, use everyday language, and ensure seamless integration across all smart home brands. We troubleshoot issues and provide training, ensuring your smart home technology is reliable and enjoyable. Contact Precision Tech Solutions at 721-9422 or info@pts-connect.com for your connected, hassle-free smart home.